Why trade AUDUSD? Do you also trade AUDUSD? Why do you trade it? How has been your experience? Leave your comments in the comments section below. Trading the AUD-USD currency pair is popular among Forex traders due to several attractive features. One of the primary reasons is that the Australian dollar, AUD, is closely tied to Australia's large export market, particularly in commodities like gold, iron ore, and coal. This makes the AUD highly influenced by global commodity prices. As commodity prices fluctuate, so does the value of the AUD, creating opportunities for traders who follow these trends. The US dollar, USD, also tends to be affected by commodity prices, but often in the opposite direction. For instance, when commodity prices rise, the AUD typically strengthens, while the USD may weaken. This inverse relationship provides traders with chances to profit from market shifts driven by commodity prices. Interest rate differentials between the Reserve Bank of Australia, RB, and the US Federal Reserve, Fed, are another significant factor in AUD-USD trading. Central bank policies regarding interest rates can cause considerable volatility in the currency pair, as higher interest rates in one country can attract more foreign investment, thereby increasing demand for that currency. Traders often monitor these interest rate differentials to predict potential movements in the AUD-USD pair, making it a key focus for those employing interest rate-based trading strategies. The AUD-USD pair is also known for its relative volatility compared to other major currency pairs. This volatility creates more trading opportunities, particularly for short-term traders like day traders and scalpers who thrive on frequent market movements. Additionally, the currency pair is highly sensitive to various economic indicators from both the US and Australia, such as employment data, GDP growth, and inflation reports. Traders can take advantage of these economic releases to enter or exit trades based on the expected impact of the data on the currency pair. Global risk sentiment plays a significant role in the movements of AUD-USD. The Australian dollar is often viewed as a risk-on currency, meaning it tends to perform well when global risk appetite is strong. In contrast, the US dollar is considered a safe haven currency, attracting investors during periods of uncertainty or risk aversion. This dynamic between risk-on and risk-off sentiment allows traders to capitalize on changes in global market conditions, as shifts in risk sentiment can lead to rapid movements in the AUD-USD pair. Another important factor influencing the USD currency pair is Australia's economic ties to China. As China is a major trading partner for Australia, any significant economic developments in China can directly impact the AUD. Traders who follow Asian market trends often find the USD pair appealing, as it reflects shifts in the economic health of that region, especially regarding China's economic performance. In addition to these factors, AUD-USD is a highly liquid currency pair, which results in tighter spreads and less slippage during trading. High liquidity makes it easier for traders to enter and exit positions, even in large volumes, which is particularly important for institutional traders or those looking to execute large trades quickly and efficiently. Finally, AUD-USD trading offers diversification benefits to traders. By adding this pair to a portfolio that may be heavily weighted toward other USD pairs, traders can balance their exposure to different economic regions and market influences. This diversification helps manage risk and provides opportunities to profit from various global economic factors that affect the AUD-USD pair. In summary, trading AUD-USD offers numerous advantages, including exposure to commodity-driven price movements, interest rate differentials, volatility, and global risk sentiment. These features, combined with high liquidity and diversification potential, make USD an attractive currency pair for both short-term and long-term traders.